How to share photos in Google Drive. First of all, once you're on Google Drive right here, you want to click the top left hand corner where it says new. Then you want to either click file upload if you want to have one photo, or folder upload if you want to have a group of photos that you want to share. So for most of you, I think it will want to be a folder, so you can click on that. Then you want to click on the folder on your device, whether that's on MacBook laptop, Windows PC computer. Then you want to upload it as so click on that on your device, click upload, and in the bottom right hand corner there should be uploading down there. Once they're all done, you can just go ahead and click on that. So for me it's photo folder, and then you want to find the way to have a look at the button where it says manage access. It should be on the right hand side. Click on that. Then you'll see it says general access. You want to click on that drop down, then click on anyone with link. Then you want to click copy on that link, and then simply you can go ahead and paste that into any chat or email or whatever it is you're messaging the other person who wants to receive the image. They'll click on that link, then they'll be able to see the photos. So leave a like on the video if that helped, and subscribe for more helpful videos.